Hi, this is Eric White with SERVPRO of Lawrence, and today I'd like to talk to you briefly about air movement and the role of air movers when it comes to doing water damage restoration in residential and commercial structures. Let's get started. At SERVPRO, we offer 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week, 365-day-a-year response to emergency situations that involve water intrusions in buildings and commercial properties. One of the important things that we do, probably the most important thing that we do, is dry the building back to its pre-loss condition after the emergency phase removes the heaviest amount of the standing water. Air movement is a critical part of that drying phase. Over the years, there has been a lot of advancements made in the air mover industry. The air movers of yesterday were able to move a volume of air, but they used a lot of electricity to do so. The air movers of today are able to move the same amount of air, but only at about 30% of the electrical usage that it cost in years past. Here at SERVPRO, we utilize the latest in air mover technology when we respond to water damage situations. When water damage strikes, call the professionals at SERVPRO. Fire and water cleanup and restoration like it never even happened. Thanks and have a great day. For more information on this or any other topic, please feel free to call us at SERVPRO of Lawrence 1-978-688-2242 or visit us at our website www.servprolawrence.com. Thanks and have a great day.